Has the future already happened? Is it possible that the past, present, and the future are already encoded in the cosmic blueprint? Is the universe predetermined? What if our traditional concepts of time are not as rigid as we think? Imagine gazing into the infinite expanse of the night sky, each twinkling star holding secrets of the cosmos within its luminous glow. But what if time isn't as straightforward as we think? What if we could unlock the mysteries of the universe and peer into the past and future alike? It sounds like science fiction, but the groundbreaking theories of Albert Einstein suggest otherwise. In this video, we're diving deep into Einstein's mind-bending theory of relativity and the intriguing concept of the block universe. Get ready to challenge your perception of time and space as we explore how the past, present, and future may all coexist in a cosmic dance. Now, here's a question to ponder. Do you believe time is a fixed path, or is it more fluid than we realize? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's ignite a cosmic conversation together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our space explorations. Let's dive into the mysteries of the cosmos together. Throughout history, humans have become skilled at measuring time using various types of clocks. These clocks have improved over time, becoming incredibly accurate at measuring the time between events. However, despite our advancements in timekeeping, we still struggle to fully grasp the nature of time itself. While we don't have all the answers, we do have a basic understanding of how time works. For example, we know that well-functioning clocks all measure time at the same rate, keeping in sync with each other. Similarly, individuals using these clocks to measure the duration of events will typically reach the same conclusions. This shared understanding forms the foundation of our everyday experience with time. Here is the thing. The constant nature of light speed says that all of that is wrong. It tells us that properly functioning, properly set clocks do not generally agree with one another. It tells us that we generally do not all agree on what happens at the same moment in time, and we generally will not all agree on how long it takes for something to happen. Let's imagine a scenario to illustrate how our perception of now can differ. You and a friend are watching a live football game, but your broadcast is a minute behind your friend's. So, while your friend has already seen a crucial goal being scored, you're yet to witness it. This shows how the same event can be experienced at different present moments. Now let's think on a grand scale. Picture yourself walking down the street, passing your friend going the opposite way. At that exact moment, deep in the Andromeda galaxy, an advanced alien civilization might be making a monumental decision: whether to launch an invasion fleet towards Earth. Here's where it gets really mind-boggling, as Roger Penrose pointed out with the Andromeda paradox. To one of you, the aliens might still be debating their decision, but to the other, the fleet could already be en route. It sounds unbelievable, right? How can there be such a contradiction in what seems like it should be a straightforward matter? Fortunately, this scenario remains a thought experiment, and if such hypothetical aliens exist, we would hope they are not hostile. This speculative consideration leads us back to the profound implications of relativity, highlighting that time isn't a universal constant that ticks away the same for everyone, everywhere. Neither you nor your friend see what is happening in Andromeda because light from Andromeda and the hypothetical alien fleet will take 2.5 million years to reach Earth. The argument is not about what can be seen. It is purely about what events different observers consider to occur in the present moment. This realization naturally leads to a profound philosophical question. If the future is already set by the unchanging laws of physics that rule our universe, what does this mean for our concept of free will? Are our actions simply following a script written since the beginning of time, or do we truly have the power to shape our destinies? The question of free will becomes even more perplexing when we consider seemingly simple choices. Imagine receiving 2 job offers at the same time. Choosing one might feel like a personal act of decision-making. However, a determinist would argue that this choice was inevitable. It was predetermined by all your prior experiences, your education, preferences, and countless other factors. From this viewpoint, your decision and perhaps your entire life path is merely an unfolding of a script written long ago by the laws of the universe. The age-old question of whether we have free will or live in a predetermined universe becomes even more puzzling when we consider Einstein's ideas and a concept called superdeterminism. This radical idea suggests that our choices may not be our own, and even scientific experiments could be influenced by hidden forces. Superdeterminism proposes that the universe cleverly hides its true nature, making us believe we have free will when in reality, everything might be pre-programmed. However, many physicists and philosophers don't agree with a strictly deterministic view. Quantum mechanics, which involves randomness, suggests that events might not be entirely pre-planned. Neuroscience also hints that our brains might have some flexibility when making choices. Studies have shown that even in similar situations, there's variation in how our neurons work and how different brain areas interact. This indicates that there's some unpredictability built into the biological processes of decision-making. Does a future that's already decided, or one that's super determined, take away the motivation and meaning from our lives? Or does understanding the potential limits of our free will bring a sense of peace or a deeper understanding of the cosmos? How does knowing our potential fate change how we live our lives? These deep questions challenge our fundamental beliefs about time, existence, and the very essence of our actions. While these ideas and questions might seem daunting, they provide an exciting peek into the universe's mysteries. We might not have all the answers yet, but that's an invitation for more exploration and open-minded conversations. Cutting-edge research areas like loop quantum gravity are delving into the possibility that time itself might be quantized. This means time wouldn't be perfectly smooth, but made up of tiny, indivisible pieces. This challenges the traditional idea of the block universe, where time is seen as a continuous stream. Moreover, physicists are delving into mind-bending concepts like entanglement and retrocausality. Entanglement suggests particles can be connected in ways that defy our usual understanding of time and space. Retrocausality hints that, in some limited way, the future might even affect the past. This research has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of how time flows. These cutting-edge theories even raise questions about whether our familiar view of time as a fixed dimension is accurate, hinting at the possibility that time itself is an emergent property. This fascinating tension drives physicists to search for an even deeper understanding of reality. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, mysteries abound, challenging our understanding of reality. Einstein's ideas, concepts like superdeterminism, and the notion of emergent time push us to rethink our fundamental assumptions about the universe. It's clear that the cosmos is far more intricate and captivating than we can imagine. But don't let the complexity discourage you. Instead, let it inspire you to keep exploring, questioning, and marveling at the wonders of our world. As we wrap up this journey through space and time, I invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below.